Hi, everyone. Welcome to PassFab. Did you install Windows 11 on your computer? Today's video will show you how to install Windows 11 with a USB. First, you need a tool to create bootable USB. Here I recommend PassFab for ISO. You can run it and select the burn feature. And click Download System ISO. Here you can download Windows System ISO image here. Once done, insert a USB. Select it and click Burn. Now, you've got a Windows 11 installation disk. You can plug it into your computer. And boot from it. Then install Windows 11 system.